Hello, creative people. Are you looking for a place to share your voice and find community through writing, literature, poetry, and community arts? Well, my name is Annika, and I'm here to announce the Arbors Wellness Fall Workshop Series. Our first event will be October 2nd, where we will be doing a poetry workshop writing seminar based off of self and mythology making. This will take place at 321 East Liberty Street in Arbor, Michigan, downtown, and will take place from 2 to 4 p.m. Our next big event will be October 6th, Thursday, 3 to 6 p.m., where we'll be hosting a poetry open mic that's open to all singers, artists, performers, and we'll be featuring Mari Margiela, the Dior Princess, as our featured artist. I hope to see you there.